All right, this is gonna be rough, but I'm not leaving this in the woods. The chisel this even use this at my parents' house. This probably weighs 150 anyway. I'm gonna carry it up that hill right here. I'll get back when I get it to the house. This is gonna be a rough one, but I'm taking it. I'll show you some bottles I got after this video. This is stuff I got today. I got this mostly for the cat, but I've never seen that. It says fleecy white. I just took it to maybe trade it. Got them 2 embalming fluids in there and a whole bag full of just stuff to trade. I'm not getting rid of the embalming fluids, but I'll show you some bottles I got for trash for treasure for selling stuff like this after these clips, and I'll show you this when I get it home. Later, folks. Help. I got that up here. That's rough. I'm gonna get out of here later. All right, I'm out here with my mom. I got this rock carried in. You can see what she did with it there. I'm sure my dad will chisel us off and make it even. He can do a little stain work, but that'll look nice with like some flower pots on it. And I got all them little clay ones from the dump. She can plant flowers on it and stuff. I got this rock. It's real long. That's cool. I carried that out. And here's other foundation stains. Here's all the pavers. They make nice. There's another big foundation stain for the there coming into a big one. There's a drain there. Here's more stuff I found recently. Here's that little cut stain. There's another cut stain. There's another like drain cut one. You can see all the chisel marks in it. If you carry that stuff out, you can do good stuff with it. But there's a look at it. Right over there. See there's stains up there all in the ground. Stains all along here in the ground, all cut ones there. Street pavers all along the sidewalk, edging it the full length of the property all the way around. Just from carrying them out of the woods and dumps. Later. You can see there's one of my Christmas cakes. It was broke. Sistersville, West Virginia, 1923, right there. Right here. Oh, they're all broke. Well, luckily this one's a D-pat, so I don't feel as bad. Oh, it's a Wheeling, West Virginia. But broke again. Later. All right, I'm out of breath. It's a pretty steep hill I'm on. I'm going up and down, zigzagging on the side of it. It's about like this, and I'm going up and down looking around in where I found that crock. And look what I just picked up. If you go back in my videos, you'll see me in one day dig like 6 or 7 embalming fluids, and I only found one of these brown ones. And I found one way over the hill. It must have tumbled all the way down the hill when they dumped it. How it stayed intact, I do not know. But that's a Daymaker. Champion Company, Springfield. And I had to go back to my bag and get my GoPro. Walked a little bit farther. See this bottle laying out. And it's one of them big RV Pierce MD Buffalo like I found the other day that's cork top. And this one's aqua, but it's screw top. It'd be like the next series in line in time. But that's a cool bottle with a new cap, that blue color. But look up here. and other embalming fluid. This is right below where I found the other ones. Let's get something in it. It's like rust or something, or it don't look like it's, other than the calcium buildup on the inside, there's not a crack or a chip in this, and this one's even nicer because it says Embalmers on it. The Embalmers Supply Co., Westport, Connecticut. So 3 keepers, just walking a flat below the dump. I should have done this the first day, but I thought the bottles, as steep as this hill is, I didn't think they'd make it. Man. Well, anyway, folks, I haven't even really dug too much, and that's a day maker for me. 2 embalming fluid bottles. When do you find them? Really? Especially perfect. Wow, and a brown one. All right, well, it's a good day already. All right, I just finished the 2 bottles that I found today, cleaning them up. They turned out spectacularly. I can't believe these were just laying out. I should have walked around there the other day, but I found that crock and got all worked up and just left. But you can see this bottle is just perfect. It says Embalmers on it too. I'm gonna put a new cap on this one. I put one on the other one already. It only took me about 25 minutes to clean these up, and what I did, I sprayed like a lime away from Dollar Tree, the stuff that comes in like chartreuse or neon green colored spray bottle. I just take the spray bottle off, pour a little bit in there, unbend the coat hanger and reach down in the top and tear up one of those scour pads, like the green ones for the sink that are rectangular, and cut them with the scissors and put that down in there and scrub the sides of the bottle with the unbent coat hanger and that lime away stuff in it. And you can see this is just a smoker. And that's why you want to go, like sometimes I'll go to the dump and just pick up caps off bottles, broken ones, for an hour. I have bags of them, and you see I left just a little dirt in it, so you can tell the bottle's probably dug. But look how nice that black cap looks on there with these little lines in the side. It just increased the value of that for sure. But I'm keeping this. This is one thing that I won't sell. I love this. It's flawless. Not a chip, not a crack. It's got like waves in the glass. It's pretty cool. These are pretty nice. Well, anyway, folks, I just wanted to show you the process later. All right, this is just like the last, I don't know, 48 hours of stuff. Just most of this stuff over here, stuff I didn't take in the house that I will eventually trade. Like, that's from today. I just set that there. Got some nice lids, I'll keep them, but lots of little bottles, cobalt blue stuff. This is all stuff I'll trade. And the bottles you'll see next are items that I traded stuff like this for. Sold these and like lots of stuff like this, and took the money and bought stuff, but I will keep these. This is only the second or third one of these I have, the brown one. And I got this one, and I have like probably 10 of these at least, but they're nice. I'm just gonna clean it up and keep them. But I will show you some bottles that I sold stuff like this and just got in the mail recently. You'll see them next. Later, fam. All right, there's bottles here I did trash for treasure. But this is one I found just in like one of my last videos, a jumbo peanut butter. I put an old Heinz cap on it. I might paint this or just scratch that, grind that off to where it's all silver, but you can see how nice that cleaned up. It's a real nice small size jumbo peanut butter. I got 2 of these now. There's the embalming fluid from today, both of these, but here's ones I found up here before. I haven't cleaned this one all the way. This is a Champion one. It's a little bit different in that bottle. It doesn't have the recess, and it's clear. I found like 10 of these up here. Dr. G.H. Michael and Company, Cleveland, Ohio. That's embalming fluid. Here's another one like the one I did today. The Embalmers Supply Co., Westport, Connecticut. And here's another one like that brown one from the same place. Pretty much the same area, close. That's just clear. I got a cap on it. So, and I have way more of these. I mean, I'm in the 30s probably on embalming fluids, but I'm happy to get this brown one. That's one of the rarer ones. But here's what I did on Trash to Treasure. I took some bottles, like junk ones. I'll keep all these ones and get them all completely cleaned up looking brand new. But I took some of the bottles that I don't keep and sold them and got other bottles. Here's a blob top. It's absolutely awesome. I've never seen this before. It says Pabst Milwaukee Beer, LB Wheat, W-H-E-A-T, bottler, Wheeling, West Virginia. It's got lime deposits on the inside of it, but it'll all clean up and this will look brand new. It's nice condition. I've never seen this bottle. LB Wheat, never even heard of it, but this was dug in Tyler County, West Virginia. I bought it off like an 80-year-old man that dug it by an old carry out in Tyler County when he was a lot younger. I'm glad to get that. I got this milk for $5. It's got kind of a lavender shade to it, and it's got that slug plate up there. It says sealed PA, 1 pint, Hillside Dairy Milk, Peter Gallic, Carbondale, Pennsylvania. It's just flawless. It looks brand new. No scratches or nothing. Here's a straight-sided Coke that says Coca-Cola Bottling Company, 7.5 ounces. Ingalls, Ingalls Brothers, Portland, Maine. And it's aqua. That's pretty nice. So, and I've got marbles and stuff too. I did Trash the Treasure, but I'm going to do them in all video by themselves because I got tons of them. But there you go. Got a couple embalming fluids today, so that's a success. This one's going to look great cleaned up. I'm going to go work on these now. I'll show them in a later video, all these cleaned up. You can see like this one, I got to get that deposit out of it, that like lime deposit on the inside. I can get that at easy. None of them have any cracks or chips. None of the ones I found that I brought home. So not bad on embalmings. Later. Look, he's out here coming out to get sunned up. You sunning yourself, big man? He's coming out a little bit. Oh, buddy. He's doing real good, folks. We'll let him down here in the leaves. Look at Squirrel Buddy. Get out of that old water, Squirrel Man. He likes playing in the leaves. Look at him. Well, you're in for a real treat here. Squirrel Man's wanting to play. I have to play with him every day. Look at him. Rawr, Squirrel Man. Look at him. He likes to battle. Look at. Here, let's get your toys. We're gonna have to get you toys, Squirrel Man. You almost fell off, Squirrel Man. Look at it, you got knots thrown up here on top. I have to run the sweeper and empty it 5 times a day, it seems like. This rascal. Look at this rascal. Tried to run off outside, didn't you? Tried to run off. Look at this handsome squirrel boy. It's terrible bad. See, tell him you're bad, Squirrel Man. You're pretty ornery. Making messes when I'm gone. He likes that right there. Look at him. You like the ear rubs too, don't you, buddy? What a nice boy. What a nice boy. What? You making squirrel noises, buddy? Well, I just wanted to show you, folks. I'm gonna get a walking thing for him, like a harness. I'm gonna have to go to like I Love Pets or something, but I'll start taking him for walks outside and stuff this spring when it starts warming up. He's a big wimp. He didn't like the cold. He's been in all winter. He's like a Florida squirrel, aren't you, Squirrel Man? He'd have to move to Florida to live outside, wouldn't you, buddy? Wouldn't you? All right, folks. I'll see you later.